Hi children, I'm Marguerite and I would like to welcome you to my lovely book and with some great ideas of how to enjoy your lunch or maybe a picnic too. Or what a crunch when it's a healthy lunch. That's the name of my book, written by Sabina, Sixsmith, illustrated by Naomi, Gatt. Let's read the blurb. A day at school and we're all busy. Without food, we all get dizzy. Flip through and you can see just how exciting our lunch can be. Talia's tuna in a bun always looks just like a sun. With a little squeeze, she will always fit another slice of cheese. She likes her zucchini with honey. I'm sure they taste kind of funny. You can tell her vegetables taste great just by looking at her empty plate. A yogurt for dessert mostly ends up on her skirt. Crackers and dips with vegetable strips, cucumbers, celery, carrots raw help develop a healthy jaw. Sweet corn is bright and yellow. Jamie's a happy little fellow. A handful of peas he loves to eat, so fresh and sweet, small and neat. Apples sour, apples sweet, apples are nice to eat. Oh, it's always finger-licking, having pasta with peppers, tomatoes and chicken. Alex is always good at musical chairs because she loves her William pears. She says, "Oh, how juicy," when talking about her strawberry smoothie. A fantastic goalie Kai will be when he eats his broccoli. Carrots, orange and long, will also make him big and strong. His dad gives him a sandwich with ham, but he would rather have sticky jam. He eats his banana every day. It gives him energy and helps him play. Mrs. Smile is too busy to eat. She's always ready with a treat. Oh yes, she's super sweet. She brings a bowl full of fruit that certainly will not ruin her suit. She has 3 daughters. She says she cuts their apples in quarters. Her tea always in her favorite mug, after which it's definitely a hug. Let's get around and find a seat. Hooray, hooray, it's time to eat. You can all tuck in. Bon appetit. And that with a lovely story, I would like you actually to have a look at what you can take even if you decide to go on a picnic. There's all sorts of veg that you can enjoy even if you put it in a picnic basket. You can easily prepare your shredded carrots or your lettuce or cut in half the tomatoes. You can prepare some crackers and dips. You can prepare a bun with some ham and cheese. You can make your own pasta dish as well, using just fine pasta with broccoli, peppers, anything that you really enjoy. Cucumbers, beetroots, some pieces of onion. And then after all that, I'm sure you will enjoy eating fruit. You can either enjoy fruit ready, washed, and you can just eat it as it is, or you can prepare a fruit salad. Don't forget to take with you some nice ice packs too, just in case they turn all very hot then. Okay? So why do we need to eat? You need to eat because food gives us energy, gives you energy and nutrients. Your body needs these to work properly. But then you still need to be very, very careful not to eat too much. Nuts are important as well. Why is too much fat bad for you? And there's so many things that you need to be careful. Always in small quantities. And then, why is too much sugar bad for you? Sweet foods are tasty, but you should have them only as treats. Make sure that even if you go to parties, eat in small quantities, just sweets. I hope you enjoyed my story and looking forward to invite you to join me for a nice picnic. Thank you.